Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for August 13, 2019 at 9:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Hold the presses. You're looking at the stock market rally. It's coming out of left field because, and I'm going to go to it right off the bat. Let me come back the way I want to. U.S. Trade Lighthizer said today that some Chinese products are being removed from the tariff list based on safety, national security, health factors, and will not be subject to the additional 10% tariff on goods that don't have a tariff on it that the president just said those goods will get a 10% tariff. Sounds confusing, but just think, some of the goods are now going to get an exemption. Also, some products will see a delay until December 15th for possible tariffs. In addition, President Trump came out and said that the talks that he had between the vice premier and the U.S. trade officials this time look a bit different in regards to China's commitment to large U.S. agriculture purchases. Now, let me think about this. Yesterday, corn went down the limit 25 cents. Hasn't done a move of that size in 6 years. Today, it was down 11 more. And they're going to start buying. You do know the home base for the president, the farmers. He's working on something. While we're here, the National Federation of Independent Business, their small index came out stronger, 104.7 versus 102.7. Then we get to the consumer CPI numbers in the U.S., and they came out up 0.3, right as expected. Ex-food and energy, they were up 0.3. Let me stand back here for you. And those were expected up 0.2. The prior month was up 0.3. CPI energy, that came in up 1.3, but it's very, very volatile. Food prices flat. Prior was flat too. And real earnings, this number, down 0.3 versus the prior month again. So is the worker going backward? It sounds like it. Redbook retail sales, soft. Down 2% the first week of August, down 2.7% in the ISC. I don't care about a year ago. They softened. Germany's zoo indicator slumped to a negative 44 reading in August. That's 44.1. That's the worst reading since December 2011, and it's down from 24.5, a negative number in July. No one was looking for this type of number, so you can see they've got their hands full, and the question is, how do they go about it and what are they going to do? You're just continuing this monster rally. This was unknown, folks, so if you think that you're trading off of anything that you knew and your broker didn't tell you something, nah. You took some of the bid, as you can see, out of gold and silver. You put a bid into the copper. Just think of everything, if the trade's getting better, what it suddenly did. It propped the dollar up against a host of currencies, should have taken out some of the bid, which it has, in the bonds and the notes. That job is done, and the soybean market coming to life, as is cotton. So the markets other than corn, which saw those monster numbers, you're getting a temporary reprieve. Will we hear more about it later today? You will. So be very, very cautious. If you're trying to catch these moves, I wish you the best, but they're hard. Now, this sort of fits into the report that I put out on the metal market. I had done a report, and I do video reports now, and I gave you an analysis of slowdowns, what they do in the economies, how does it impact silver, where do you look for it. I give you the seasonal charts, the quarterly charts, the monthly charts, the daily charts, weekly charts, put it all in together and give you an idea on silver, and that's where I'm focused on this report, and it's up on our website. All you need to do is go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. Go to the area education. You'll see Ira's special report, metals report. Click on it and away you go. That report will come off our website tomorrow. We'll only keep them on 5 business days. I can't tell you the hour tomorrow they're going to come off, but they'll be coming off. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great day. I'll see you this afternoon.